This is
What
wrong!
did you do to us?
Barking mind games! I'm gonna puke!
Puke later! Focus on Raker!
The passport ain't gonna work, brute! Stay on the geezer!
You're not going in.
My face! Tie him down!
This one's defenses are formidable! We should not be here! No, Scott! That's why we're trying to get out!
Cannot be!
Careful! Pretty sure this guy's gonna explode when we kill him!
Hey, Grandpa! You think we're afraid of your goons? They do not leave this chamber.
No, I am not letting that bastard take her
Again?
Get the preacher! Now, Squire's pissed!
Gotta cut that Flyer's connection to his friends!
And he will suffer for it! Peter Quill, unleash me onto these fools! Hey, Quill! Wanna see some fireworks?
What the? Coach is choosing his team members!
Get on the police
Can't
over
do that without a head!
That's not good! Stop him!
Save your nice words for later, Quill. Nothing beats this!
Passage to Ultar, Peter Quill! Extra and Libra Ultra!
No, I am not letting that bastard take her again!
Get the preacher for now. Squire's pissed!
Look! The sorcerer heals his ilk!
What's the opposite of heal? Let's do that
Feel
to him!
this?
With fervor!
Get ready!
Libra Ultra!
They have the same tech as Raker!
All tech has a weakness. Just gotta find it.
No fair! He's boosting everyone but us!
Hey! The flying creep's healing him up!
He can't do that without a head!
Careful! He's powering up his crew!
That's not good! Stop him!
Yup! Get on the flat face healing his buddies!
The Flyer's healing the others!
What are you waiting for? Don't shoot that one or it's gonna rain pain on us!
Oh, man! Stick it to him, Groot!
Past time someone got stabbed!
What is next, Peter Quill? You owe me one, Quill!
Not going into the light this time, little buddy!
Man! Are we even putting a dent in this guy?
Gamora, slice him up!
This won't hurt! Much! They have the same tech as Raker!
They are filled with light!
These guys win the prize for creepiest costumes!
They've gotta be hot! Well... Even she's got her limits! I'm dying over here!
That was
Let us
Peter!
resume
Can
at
you
full
get to him?
force. Prepare for pain!
Watch
that's
who you
not
shoot!
fair.
That one's redirecting fire!
We gotta get rid of the floaters!
I require your help!
Hold on! I got you, buddy!
Check on that, Peter!
The blockhead's amping up his buddies!
What's next, Peter? Peter! Check on track! This
Hold
might
on,
be a
big
problem!
guy! Oh, crap!
No, I am not letting that bastard take her again!
Forget the preacher for now. The choir's pissed!
Look! The elite one's mending his allies!
What are you waiting for? Shoot him in the face!
Do you think these guys win the prize for creepiest costumes?
They are a mockery!
What the? Coach is juicing his team members!
Then put him in a body bag! Watch it! He's healing his buddies!
Well, that's not fair!
Foul magic! The sorcerer's healing the others! Put a target on him! Whatever they're shooting smells like burnt ozone! I cannot smell anything! George, perhaps we should talk to them! Since when do you talk instead of fighting? This battle is proving too worthy! What's next, Peter? Thank Will! I
thanks,
think
buddy.
the big guy's seen stars!
This has got my name on it!
I apologize for my carelessness. I am trying to destroy! Beware! That warrior will punish us if we attack!
Yeah! Do it,
The
Peter!
freak's gonna resurrect your ass! Get on the flyer! He's healing his team!
The blockhead's amping up his buddies!
The trick is to defeat them before they
All right!
defeat you!
I'm good!
Thanks
Let
with
us
the
resume at
assist!
full force!
To the bone!
Whatever they're shooting smells like burnt ozone!
Don't be there when they shoot it!
The floater's healing the rest of them!
Well, that's not fair!
Do not let
Put a
the
target
ensorcelled! Beware the bolstered attacks! Somebody
Put
call
it
for
down
a timeout!
hard.
The rodent is being overwhelmed! My great strength goes underutilized! I can't believe I needed help with that!
Don't mention it! No fair! He's boosting everyone but us!
I'm ready!
Put him in a
Just find
body
me an
bag!
opening.
Problem? Solution!
That priest is pumping faith into the others!
Well, that's not fair!
Next time, you're on your own!
What would I do without you, Rocket?
Why must they attack us? Because they're brainwashed buttholes!
Help! Now!
My limits are
Looks like
being
even
tested!
she's got a
Guys,
limit.
huddle up! I'm having a hard time fragging him out there, Quill. Destined scutbags know how to dance.
They're staying one step ahead of us, that's for sure. Open to ideas here, Peter.
Whoa, dudes! The things you say, they're totally out of tune with what I see out there.
I am Groot.
Groot gets it! Right? So let's kickstart this party to the united sound of our blistering guardian attacks. Who's with me?
Do his
Why?
kinda wish he
Just
weren't.
why?
Hey, Quill! I think the big guy's seen stars! I know they look funny, but that don't mean they ain't dangerous!
Guys, that one's mending the rest.
What are you waiting for? Shoot him in the face! The sorcerer
What's the
prepare
opposite
yourself!
of heal? Let's do that to him!
The sorcerer amplifies their power! Yeah, well, that makes him a target in my books. Yeah, you might want to dodge those next time. How are they able to float like that? Sounds like Captain Jet Boots is jealous. Buy some time, crew!
Cosmo wouldn't have cut us off on purpose, would he?
No way! He's a good boy! Whatever this is, not his fault!
I'll enjoy this.
Bust out the smart bomb!
Ugly's fixing up his crew!
Well, that's not fair! The blockhead's amping up his buddies!
Then put him in a body bag! Problem? Solution!
My feelings!
They have the same tech as Raker.
They are filled with light! Whatever they're shooting smells like burnt ozone!
So, yeah! Probably want to dodge that!
Church floater keeps pulling from its bag of tricks.
Let's pop that fool so he stops handing out treats!
I thought you'd never ask. Cosmo wouldn't have cut us off on purpose, would he?
No way! He's a good boy! Whatever this is, not his fault! How are they able to float like that?
They are true believers! The enemy crew's persistent!
No fair! He's boosting everyone but us!
Then put him in a body bag! Problem? Solution! Here's your chance to save a woman in need, Quill!
Root! Slow him down!
Right!
Smoke
Must
the
hold on.
rocket! Right with you, big guy!
Ah! This foe will not break so easily!
You okay? Give
I'm
him a
on
new
it.
one! These guys win the prize for creepiest costumes!
That's supposed to intimidate us?
What the? Coach is choosing his team member! Peter Quill!
Let's sever
Over
his
this
ties
way.
and bomb. Peter
Right
got
with you,
hit?
big guy.
Shocking!
I'll just walk right into that one!
Stomped out weirdos deserve it!
Rocket! Blast! Chop him up!
Like a hot knife! They have the same tech as Raker!
Only he took the invincible upgrade! We need you on your feet, big guy!
We've got to apply more pressure!
Destroy! Whatever they're shooting smells like burnt ozone! I cannot smell anything!
What kind of church has bouncers?
This is all so unnecessary!
The blockhead's amping up his buddies!
Then put him in a body bag! Problem? Solution!
Run him through! Blow him
This
away,
is how it's
Rocket!
done!
Finish! Wide open! Shoot the girl!
Time to close his eyes! Permanently!
We're easy targets down here. How do we get out?
You should have bought me more time with that... Drone. Now we gotta go in blind and hope we can find a comm center to call the Milano.
We'll figure it out. Anybody see a way up?
Careful!
I see a way up.
How thoughtful. More up. Wait! Blitz him, Rocket! Not liking our odds against the entire church here!
Yeah, nothing to none! We're completely floored unless we catch our ride!
Perhaps these stairs lead to the light.
On this ship, light equals bad!
Flarkin, run,
Go,
suckers! Scud! Scud! Scud it!
Go, go, go!
I am hurrying! No one said anything about running when I signed
Come
up!
on! Aw, Flark! Just jump!
Ah!
That's bad. That's very bad. We need an exit!
There ain't one!
Then make one!
Quill, use your head!
I'm thinking! Drax, hit this part of the wall as hard as you can.
Why?
Because we're about to die!
Right.
I know that sweet smell anyway.
Come on! We can escape through that drain!
Are you nuts? That's highly toxic warp drive coolant. We can't just jump in there.
We need to keep moving!
Maybe I wasn't clear. That's a pool of instant death.
Whoa!
Drax!
Drax, man, everything okay?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe it ain't warp drive coolant.
That's tingly.
Well, we need to talk about your kid trying to kill us.
Raker did something to her. This is his...
Do you think they reached the old mining sector?
No. The Grand Unifier sent Lictor drones into the lower halls. The heretics would have been disintegrated.
Scud holes. Yeah, maybe. But if we are lost, at least they can't find us.
We're screwed.
We're lost and we're screwed.
I just need to get my bearings. I ain't never been on a ship this big.
Trust your instincts, little one.
Little one. Guess it's better than Abomination.
You are a silly little thing.
Scud! What are they doing?
Blocking our way forward. So many doors. You do know the way out, right?
I would have if you guys had bought me more time with that drone. It's gotta be through one of them doors.
Which one?
Well, we know it ain't the one we just came through.
Are you kidding me?
Okay, we got this.
Hey,
Chop
look!
it down!
These idiots don't see us.
No time to stand around fighting these dudes. The faster we get out, the faster we save Nikki.
You mean the faster we find the Milano?
We're not leaving her.
Try them doors!
I'm on it!
Okay, now what?
Cross your fingers and pick a door!
We don't have time for that.
We don't have time to stand around complaining either!
Gonna try this one!
Careful! There may be more of these gas baskets in there!
We need to get out of here!
Forward is the only way forward! And backwards is not forward!
Wake up! Breaker is using you.
Yeah, what she said!
Past time someone got stabbed.
Peter Quill, are you going to tour the entire ship?
Trying not to! Alright, door number 2!
Hurry, Peter! We're gonna get overrun here!
Where are we?
All these having a
That wasn't it!
Let's try another one.
Move, move, move!
Flark, in here.
Stand back.
Crap, it's a dead end. Now what?
Up there! That catwalk's our way out.
If we can get across that gap...
Flark, we got a bigger problem.
Drone's back.
Quill, find us a way up to that catwalk before we're extra crispy.
Peter, tell me you've got an idea here.
Gamora, can you bolt off that pillar or something?
What? No!
Drax, push that across the gap.
Yes.
No! Wrong way, Drax!
What the scut, man?
Drax!
That headed Badoon? That was our...
Doesn't matter. We've got an exit. Let's go!
That thing really wants a piece of you.